Alright, we'll try that again. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm currently on my way up to, not that you'll see it from here, but Ben Crom Dam at the end of Silent Valley. I'm going to do a quick hike up the, I don't know if it's an official mountain, but the peak right above Ben Crom Reservoir and the dam. Then I'm going to come back down and do a quick dip in the river or the pool at the waterfall. So I'll hold this on this side so you can actually see some like sky behind me instead of just pure white and my forehead disappearing into the cloud. I have my towel and wet shoes. That's all I'll need really, because I'm getting changed back into this. I am also wearing the same top I've worn the last several videos, but it's handy for the zip on the microphone. And it's realistically, I just cannot be bothered pulling a pullover hoodie over this massive head. So this just works out easier. And it's a quick on and off if I get too warm, which with this wind, I'm not going to. Well, up here is where we're going. I'll round this corner in a wee second here and you'll see the dam. The dam's not taking me as far up as that as I remember. So I have a little bit of a hike to do. Oh, there's no water coming off the dam. Amazing. So that's where we're going. We're going to go up and over that. And up there. So a little bit of a walk to do here until we get to the dam. Yeah, we'll go up here. See how I feel. Yeah, it's windy at the top, so it's dragging the water over. There's more of it coming over now. It's windy at the top. So, this is Ben Crom Reservoir. This is the dam. I'm currently debating with myself whether I actually want to climb this and risk busting my leg because my groin feels super tight. And the steps on the way up here have all been like a shallow, normal walk. This is going to be like, I'm going to have to probably like lift my leg up to step up things. And I don't really know if I want to sacrifice my leg. It seems like a bit of a waste because I'm already here. But I also have a walk I want to do tomorrow, which is longer. I have more to do tomorrow actually than this, so I kind of want to save it for that. I'll maybe do the first part and see how I feel, and if I feel like I'm up to it, I'll go up the rest. Seems like a waste to not do it while I'm here. It's not that far really. It just looks further away. Maybe I'll do it. We'll see, I'm still debating. There's a bit of water trickling over there. Not as much as I'd wanted, but a little bit. Yeah, I've decided I don't have it in me to get up that. So I'm gonna go for a swim because I can feel, like I said, this has all been flat on the way up. It's all flat here and it's been flat the whole way up that road. Apart from the incline, obviously it's flat ground. There's no like rough terrain, no rocks. But I can literally feel like there's something like right here at the top of my quad running into my groin. and it's tight. And it's uncomfortable tight. I can feel it every time I take a step tight. Well, this is the dam anyway. Ooh. At least we made it up here without pulling something. Oh. Yeah, it's sore. I'm not risking this. Close the door. Closed. Need to check tide times for tomorrow as well. I'll leave my bag over there out of the way, and I'll go in with the phone and the 360. All right, it's time to go.
I'm good. Tripping over shit. Almost there. All right, nice and dry. We're good to go. Yeah, so the sun came out there as I was, just as I got out of the water and was starting to dry off. So it warmed me up quite nice, but now we're back to cloud. Which I don't mind because I'm heading back to the car now anyway, so it is what it is. So I'm gonna mosey on back to the car now. I can't wait to get changed out of these shoes because they're busting my feet. So I'm kind of glad I didn't go up there now because my feet are already sore and I've only just walked, what is it, 2 miles to the dam? Up the steps and across the dam. But that'll likely do me for now. I'll leave it there and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.